This all three types of root is divided under two root system. That is why we are moving on to the next root system we are moving on to is root system. So you can just write the name of it. There are two types of root system. All the three roots are put together under two root system. The first root system we call it tap root system. Tap root system include, what are the things included in tap root system? Tap root plus lateral root. Yes. Okay. Okay, so taproot system consists of taproot and lateral root. That's enough. Okay, we don't have to learn little more detail that you will be studying in higher classes. Continuation of this will be there. Okay, taproot and lateral root, and fibrous root comes under fibrous root system. Fibrous roots comes under fibrous root system. Fibrous root system. Taproot
And this
system.
one we are right already.
You have written. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, this root system come under two different venation. Did we discuss that?
No, ma'am, you only
No,
told.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, Shahad, can you tell me which are the two leaf venation we have learned?
Reticulate venation and reticulate venation, parallel venation.
Okay, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Okay, Bilsa, can you tell me what do you mean by parallel venation?
Ma'am, the leaf prepare food for them.
Parallel venation. Amna, can you say what is parallel venation?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Can I look that the vines and the plants with the fibrous roots are parallel to each other along the length of the leaf, which is called parallel venation.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Jelin Elizabeth, what do you are only, can you hear me, Jelin Elizabeth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what do you mean by reticulate venation?
Ma'am, in the vein from a
Veins?
veins from a net like
Web design. Okay. So in this, we can see the fibrous root system.
of the
Yeah.
leaf, which is called reticulate
Yeah.
venation.
Similarly, you know the fibrous roots are under reticulate venation and tap roots are under parallel venation. Okay.
And excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this the photo, which is the taproot and which is the fibrous root.
Taproot is the second one, and the first one is the
We
fibrous
also,
root
ma'am,
system.
you also give the definitions of
Ah.
taproot, lateral root, and fibrous root.
That is over. Now we are coming to the next slide. These are the two
But
systems.
after this only you give it.
Which one?
After writing this point only you give that.
Okay. But did I mention about the venation on this root system?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So that is what I am talking about. So here, tap root system under reticulate venation. The tap root system under, please write down, tap root system is under reticulate venation because their roots are parallel to one another, and fibrous root system is parallel venation. The fibrous root system is under parallel venation.
Ma'am, the first one is parallel venation.
First slide, what you see is fibrous root system. That is under parallel venation, and wrap root system is under reticulate venation. By looking at the picture, you get confused, no? Because by looking at the fibrous root, it is more or less so many web-like. It is not actually, because fibrous root system mainly coming from what? Coming from stem. Okay. It is forming from stem, but taproot system mainly coming from the main root. So that is the difference between them. So this is about the two root system, and taproot and lateral root comes under taproot system, and then the fibrous root comes under parallel venation fibrous root system. Now same way, sometimes instead of giving taking water and absorbing the nutrients, sometimes roots also change its structure. That is what next we are moving on to, and also we are moving on to the functions of the roots. Okay, so these are the main functions of the roots. First function of the roots is roots anchor the plant to the soil. Anchor to the plant means making the plants to be firm on underground. Okay.
Which class?
This is 6th B class. Who is that? Who is that?
Devadarshan.
Devadarshan, you belong to which class, my dear? Okay. You check your studio number must have changed. You have some changes in timetable, correct? Go through it. Okay. So roots anchor the plant to the soil. That is the first one. Roots anchor the plant to the soil. That is anchor the plant to the soil means making the plant to firm on the ground. So if you plant a sapling, first taproot comes. Once the taproot comes, you can see that the new leaves are, new shoots are coming up. So that is the indication that that plant is already anchored to the ground. Second one, roots absorb water and minerals present in the soil. Okay, for photosynthesis, leaves require water and some minerals also. So who gives that? Root. Okay, root takes it from the soil and passes through the stem and reaches to the leaves. And how do this thing will reach us? Water and mineral salts reach the stem and the branches through a system of thin tubes present in the roots and the stem. So this is how the second function of the roots are happening. Water and mineral salts reach the stem and the branches through a system of thin tubes present in the roots and the stem. So what is this thin tube? Just like a blood vessel, the root also having a small narrow tubes. So they take the water minerals through that. Clear?
Yes.
And now third function, roots bind the soil particles together and prevent soil erosion. I think you must have learned in EVS too. I meant to say in the geography or...
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. How does the plants... oh, sorry.
Previous slide,
Ma'am,
ma'am, please.
The plants help in avoiding soil erosion.
Previous
They catch
Yes,
hold
yes.
of the soil when
Yeah.
it's heavy rain.
Why? Because the roots are anchoring on the soil. So suddenly heavy rain comes, the soil will not flow with the water down. Okay, this is how it is
Ma'am,
protecting.
it won't let the soil
And
go.
in fourth
Hmm.
the standard in socials.
No, this is 6th standard. How do they enter? I stop enabling. Who else? Any other students are here in this class apart from 6th standard? No one is there.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am, Jelin said that we learned
Devadarshan.
in 4th standard.
Oh, you learned in 4th standard. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, fine. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the board. I want to write one more.
Okay, shall we?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, continue.
Ma'am, I have some network issue, so I am
It's okay.
my video.
Okay, Naren, no problem. Joshua, my dear, can you just close the door behind you?
Okay, ma'am.
Go and close the door behind you. You get up and close. Why are you telling your mother to? Joshua, you mute and speak, okay? Because it is a recording, no, so they are not good to see. That's why.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
finish, ma'am.
Jalen, can you mute it, Jalen Elizabeth? Okay. Otherwise, some kind of noise will come.
I'm finished writing.
Okay. I just want to ask Mohammed Ismail. Ismail, how many notes you got so far now? Okay, you check yourself. Do you want the first chapter notes? Because now we will be learning term 2 portions for the exam. So it is not necessary for you to have the first term notes now. Okay. Ismail, so you have textbook, you mark, these are the first term chapters. Maybe one chapter maybe for final exam. That time I can send it for you. So just take your textbook, your term 1 portions. Chapter 1,
Chapter 1,
chapter 2,
Chapter 2,
chapter 4,
Chapter 4,
chapter 5. Okay.
Chapter 5.
So these chapters are part of term 1. I don't think you require these notes now. So if the annual examination, maybe 1 or 2 chapters from this will come. That time I can send it to you. Okay. So let
Okay.
me know which you require. Now term 2 notes changes around us. I think that I sent for you. Clear? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now this chapter I will be sending. So I have not sent this chapter to anyone. So that I will be sending. Okay, children, shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, children, these are the some of the another peculiar feature, you know, carrot, radish, beetroot, turnips, you will get from the root, correct? So carrot and actually what are they? They are the taproot turning into vegetable. So roots are changing their, no need of writing, only for your knowledge, okay? Because that is not in your textbook, but this is also is a function of the roots, okay? Joshua, can you read the first one?
When groups perform different functions which changes their structure is called modification.
Okay, good. So you can mute now. So when roots perform different functions which changes their structure. So some function they need to change their entire thing. Just like leaf also we had gloriose and cactus plant, spines and all the support. Similarly, sometimes for the need of it, root will change its size and shape and all. That is what we call structure. So that process is known as modifications. Okay. Jalin Shaitu, can you read the second paragraph, please?
Yes, ma'am. The food made in green leaves travels. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear.
The food made in green leaves travels down roots and it stores in these tap roots, which is used by plants in unfavorable condition. Example, turnip.
Okay. See, children, I don't know, like lily flower and all. Have you seen their stems and all those things? They store the water and all those things for many times, many days, because when they cook the food, they don't require the food for too much food every day. So they cook the food daily and they will store and keep it on the tap root. And suppose if during heavy rain, or there is no sunlight, there is no enough sunlight they are getting. So that time, how do the plants will survive their life? By taking the food which is stored in the root. Okay, so select turnip, carrots, potatoes, all these type of things are plants. They are storing the food in their roots, so that if there is some problem happen in the climate, maybe due to lot of breeze, heavy rain, cyclone, and or maybe 1 week and or not proper sunlight, so they use this food to grow. So that is the meaning of it. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
next again,
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, Ismail, can you read the last paragraph?
Okay, ma'am. Roots grow from the branches. As the roots reach the ground, they fix themselves in the soil and give support to spreading
Branches. There is H is missing.
branches. These are called props, roots.
Prop roots.
Example, banyan tree.
Okay, so this is some peculiar feature. Sometimes some of the plants, I don't know, you have observed, they have roots on their branches also. There are some wild trees in our locality. I have seen. I don't know the exact Malayalam word. I know, but so this is this banyan tree. You know it, no? Banyan tree, just like a cotton. There's a one
Yes,
seed
ma'am.
will come, green seed, and it will dry and it will cut open, and lot of cotton will fall down. It is not actually cotton plant. This is banyan tree, but this cotton also we use to make the pillows and all. In Kerala, it is very common. And so these are the some of them. On their branches also they are root. The roots are growing on the branches. Why do they
Yes,
grow?
ma'am.
In order to support the tree and the branches. Okay, so sometimes that is, so this roots they call prop roots. It's only for your knowledge. You don't have to learn prop roots and all now. So this also is the different functions of the root, but not all the roots. Some peculiar feature. Sometimes the root will behave like this. Okay, that's the
Ma'am,
meaning.
should we write this?
No need, only just
Excuse me, ma'am.
understand. If you want, you can also, I will give you some points that you can write it down. Don't write exactly on the slide.
Ma'am, can you show
It will be too
last-
much. Okay. So,
Ma'am, can you show last? I will take a screenshot. Can you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
so if you want, you can write these points, what I am giving on the board.
Ma'am,
Modification of the root. Modification means the roots change their structure. This is the first type of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my laptop, the Zoom crashed, so I am attending from my tab now.
Okay. Roots change their structure according to the function. This is the one of the modification according to the function. Second one, root. Actually, the storing the food is the function of the leaf, but root also, sometimes stem also will store. So root stores the food in their taproot. Not roots, plants. Plants store the food in their
Taproots.
in there only, correct. 1 minute. When I rub something, all will go. Plants store the food in their taproot. Taproot in order to use. In
Use in unfavorable
in
conditions.
unfavorable conditions. Conditions. Which are the unfavorable conditions you can write, such as summer. Summer, you know, it starts no rain. Winter, monsoon. Monsoon means it's a continuous rain. Okay, monsoon, season, etc. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell the childhood to mute?
Who?
Ma'am, Jalin Shaiju.
Jalin Shaitu, can you mute? So plants store the food in their taproot in order to use in unfavorable conditions such as summer, winter, monsoon
Ma'am,
season, etc.
for 1 minute, can you show before slide? I just want to take a screenshot.
Wait. Let everyone complete this.
I'm finished.
Next. Can I? Third point.
Yes, ma'am.
Roots grow on branches. In order to support the tree. Supports the tree. If you want, you can write example banyan tree. And another, I don't know English name, so but let's leave it. Some kind of a wild plants they grow in the outskirts of the village and all. We can see so many trees. The roots are just coming out of it, and I have seen some of them. We can use it as a swing. Have you seen it in the forest and all? There are some roots are hanging down like a swing. Banyan tree is one. There are some other trees. If you go to Wayanad, Kasaragod region, while you go to Tamil Nadu border and all,
Can you show before slide?
we go through the forest sometimes. So there are some trees you can see the roots are hanging down from the branches. And some of the movies you must have seen that the heroine is playing on it.
When we went to Karnataka, we went that way.
We must have seen that
forest.
heroine is hanging on that and playing, and some heroes are doing some tricks. I think in Odeon and all we have seen some of that roots trees.
Ma'am,
it is
Tarzan.
Yes. Hanging. Some of the roots are very strong. You can
They jump from one to another.
yes.
Banyan tree, right?
Banyan tree is one. There is also another type of trees are there like that. Roots are grown. I don't know what's the name of it. I have seen in when we go to Tamil Nadu border and Mysore and
Ma'am, Jungle Book.
Jungle Book is a film. In film, English movie, not cartoon.
Yeah,
we
ma'am,
have seen.
they're hanging and they
And there is some
like-
movie like Tarzan and all. You will see all these tribal movies. No?
Jumanji.
Jumanji. Yes. Mowgli, all that. Clear. Okay, shall I rub this board now?
Yes,
So I think we have completed. So this is sum of
Ma'am,
1 minute.
ma'am, can you show before slide?
So this is someone is saying something.
Ma'am, can you show before slide?
Wait. So I think this is over. Someone want to see this slide? No need, I think, no? Which slide? This slide or what?
Yes, ma'am. I will
Are you-
just take a
You click the first screenshot, okay? So we completed the root now. Now we have to go to stem and finally we will reach to the flowers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
3, 4.
Yes. Now we are coming to the next part, stem. Okay. So write the heading, all of you, stem.
Now you should write stem or function of stem.
The heading is stem. And the definition of stem. Yeah. Stem. Next part is stem. It is the major part of a plant. It is the major means important part of a plant.
Stem is like a backbone.
Stem is a backbone, just like a spinal cord. Stem is the major part of the plant.
Ma'am, which
That
keeps
plant
the
cannot
plants
stand.
upright.
Which
Keeps the plant upright.
bear leaves,
Flowers.
branches, buds, BUDS, buds and flowers. So all these things are forming on who?
Stem.
From the stem. Okay. It is the major part of a plant which bear means which is holding. B-E-A-R, not the bear, Karadi, not that one. Okay, which bear leaves, branches, buds and flowers. Some of the stem also will have thorns also, like rose bush or rose plant. Thorns also they will bear the stem. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
One type of plant is there that's full of thorns. But
That
at
is
the top there,
cactus. Is that
but,
so?
but no, ma'am, but the top there is a beautiful flower. Yellow, maybe in yellow or red.
Okay, okay. You have the flower at home. Do you have the flower at home?
My auntie's home.
Okay, okay. Now we are moving on to the functions of the stem.
Ma'am,
The
only
first-
1 more minute.
1 more minute? Oh, almost time up. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
So you can just click the photo. So we don't have much to learn about the stem. So you just click the screenshot. I just read it. It doesn't have much functions. One function is stem keeps the plant upright. Okay, from the root the plant comes. If the stem falling down, the plant also fall. No, and the plant will fall. So it will keep the stem strong and hold upright. Stem bears, branches, leaves, flowers already have written. Fruits also we have. Thorns also. Main function already we learned photosynthesis. Carries the water by the root and stem. So stem transports water, minerals and food to all parts of the plant from the root. So root will reach to the stem, then stem will carry. So stem transports water, minerals and food to all parts of the plant from the root. Okay. So that is functions of the stem. And next class, children, we have class on next week, I think. Oh, do you have class on Friday?
Right, ma'am. One more line, please.
We have class on Friday.
Okay, so Friday, please bring a hibiscus flower, everyone, and a small blade with you, because we are going to open the hibiscus part and you will learn the parts of the flower that time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Viscous
So,
and blade, right?
see, those who are able to get enough, those who are able to bring others, you see. When others are doing it, you see. And when you get a chance, you experiment at home and see it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So just 1 minute before I come up. Pranav, you today no attendance. You joined last net and your seminar still. Many chances I got. Okay. You came last minute, no attendance for you.
Ma'am, Pranav, you is not in our class.
No?
No, ma'am.
6A. Oh, sorry. He is in another class. 6C, I think. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because all 6 classes I am teaching, so I got confused who belong to which. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Absent is the same people. Others all are present. Naifa, Najma, all are present. Tejas,
12 people
Krishna.
are absent.
The same people are absent. Okay. I put attendance. Okay. Bye. Nevin, where is Nevin? I didn't see Nevin.
It is present.
Where are you, Nevin? Down. Faiz Muhammad also is there. Okay. Bye, children.